Hello, the dad is happening here, and welcome back to another episode of Minecraft. Today in this episode we're gonna be doing something different because I am not gonna be tutorial. I will if you want me to, but basically what I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to be excuse me for a sec. Sorry about that. So basically I'm going to be showing you what I have and probably adding on to something that I am very impressed about so far, my 3D printer. Yes, it may not look like nothing right now, but it does work. The printer sequence isn't done yet. That is not done yet. It will not be done until after I showcase everything. That's part, and yeah, it's going to take a little bit. It's probably going to be multiple episodes. But basically what we're going to be doing is basically what I've done so far. Is every time it gets to the very end, like basically what it's going to do is set blocks here and then it's going to print it. But it's going to do that. And once it gets that last piston over there, it pushes it down over here. And because it's a 3D printer, it's going to keep printing in this one direction. And once this whole area, it's not going to just be like this, but once the whole area is up like that, it's going to push it down a layer. It's going to keep repeating that until no more blocks should be set. And then that's when it will stop printing and it will go all the way to the bottom. And now once it's done printing, I will have a system that basically, so it's going to test, it's going to have a repeater, I believe, right here. It's going to be right here, and there's going to be a repeater going in this area. And what it's basically going to be doing, it's going to have a dispenser here. I'm not going to do this right now, but I'll just build a thing. It's going to have a dispenser right here that basically there's going to be a pit right here of what should we call it? I forgot what you call this stuff. Silverfish. The pit of silverfish right here, and it's gonna hit them with harming. And so if you decide to make this, if you make it that so that it has stone monster brick egg in it, it will break all of that. And then once it's broken everything, there's gonna be like some sort of thing that's gonna make it so that when they break, they fall into a pit of lava and all that stuff, so that they can become printed. So you can see the object that's inside, but that will be later because that is going to be very complicated. And yeah, I didn't want to do that. So let's show you what I have right now. Basically, all I have is that the 9x9 piston thing right here, and then there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 piston trails going down the pistons like that with redstone on them, and then redstone over here, right here, like this. Right over here, let's place on the block like that because that piston may not activate, so I had to fix that. I don't have the button there. Then once you put redstone repeater here, you're gonna wanna place redstone all the way up to here, and connect it. Put a repeater and connect it to this. All that does is when a block is placed here, it pushes down. Oh, oopsies. When a block is placed here, it puts the pistons down. Next thing what we're going to do is you're going to want to build 9 pistons across, like I have done. Place blocks behind them, redstone all those blocks, 1 extra block, redstone right there. And then you're going to want to have a piston 1 block away from them facing in this direction. And so there's 1 block gap here. You want to place a redstone torch under it, and then you want to place a block right here, redstone running into this block, redstone here, repeater right here, and then there's going to be, that doesn't need to be there, that's all. And then what for this side, and then what you're going to want to do for this side is a redstone torch under this piston to the one to the right of me. Then you're going to want to have a repeater, redstone, and redstone linking up to this redstone that you already have there. And then once you've done that, all it's doing is once you place this block it pushes the block over, and then once it's made the maximum amount of units in it, it should push the block into this, and then once it's printed one whole layer, it should push down and repeat the process. That is going to be the first step to building your 3D printer, and I will see you next time with the part 2 of the tutorial. Thank you.